Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of you. Welcome to your numeracy class. I'm your ma'am, Omama. And in today's class, we will revise another topic that you have already done in your previous grades and we will revise it. Okay. So, before starting the topic, I want to ask you, let's discuss what's the importance of this topic. Okay. So, the topic that we will be covering today is number and names. We will learn about the name of different numbers. Okay. Let's say a number is written in front of you, right? Now, uh, there is some special name to call that number, right? Or to write the number in the form of words, right? So let's say these are two numbers, but if you do not know that what we call this and this as, how will you introduce it? How will you use it? So not only knowing these digits, but their names is also very important. So in the mathematics, right, we can write numbers in two ways. The very first thing is, let's look at the board first. We will first understand this topic and then we will start working on it. Okay. So I'm using this. There are three things to identify a number or to learn about a number. The very first thing is the digit, right? Then there is a name, and then there is a value attached to it. Got it? Look at the board. This is a digit, right? Now the name of this digit is 6 and the value given to it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When this means that whenever this number is written in front of you, this means that it have this value or it contain this number of items, right? And the name of this digit is 6. So this means that 6 number have this value or this number items or this number objects. Similarly, look at the next digit. Let's say we have number this. Now the digit is 1 and 5 and we together, and the name given to these digits are 15, right? And the value given to it is these number of objects. This means that whenever this digit or number 15 will be written in front of you, you will have this idea that this must contain these number of items, right? So in mathematics, you can write number in two forms, that is in the form of digit, and the second one is in the form of words. Now, the name of the digit that we write in the form of word is basically the name of this digit. Now, you don't call it as, and beside this, this is not enough to just know the basic number names from 1 till 10, because after 10 the name of the digits varies or the name of the numbers are a bit different from the basic one. Let's say we don't call it as 1 5, right? What we call it as is 15. So 15 is the name of this number, right? So why we are learning this topic, why this topic is important, because it helps us to know the value of this number, right? So when you will know the name of the digit, so the three things are important. The very first thing is you should know what the digit is. The second thing is you should know what is the name of that digit. And the third thing is what is the value attached to that particular number. Got it? So the topic that we will be practicing in today's class is that how we can write number names, right? So all of you must have memorized number names as well. I hope that all of you must know number names till 10 and we will be learning the others together, right? So before moving forward, I'm going to share the screen with you, and there is this interesting video related to today's topic. we will first watch that video. The same concept that I'm explaining it to you is explained in that video as well. So first we will watch that video, and then we will move forward and write different number names. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen, and you are supposed to show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay, show me a thumbs up. Okay, great.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So in the video, you have seen the same thing, or you have revised the same concept. What was that? That the numbers were written in two forms. On the first, the digit was written, and in front of that, the name of that digit was mentioned. Let's say 4, and then FOUR. 4. This is a digit. This is its name, and the spelling of it are FOUR 4. Similarly, this is a digit, and the name of this digit is 6, and the spellings are SIX 6. Similarly, the digit is 8, and its name is EIGHT 8, right? So we can write numbers in two forms, and we this is important to know their names and to learn their spellings as well, right? Because we are supposed to write them in many ways, or to practice them in many ways in our life. So now I want all of you to open your book, page number 13. This is your book, page number 13, that we will be doing today. Today we will practice writing number names from 1 till 25. Okay, so let's start with one, because as I told you that I'm hoping that all of you know the spellings of number names till 10. So I'll be asking this from you, and then after 10 I'll be guiding you for that, right? Okay, so who is going to tell me the spellings of 1? Yes. Okay, Sarah raised her hand first. Yes, Sarah. ONE 1. Excellent. Who is going to tell me the spellings of 2? Yes, Ahmed. TWO 2. Very well done. Yes, Ali. 3. THREE 3. Very well done. Okay, who is going to tell me the spellings of 4? Already written over there. Then 5. FIVE 5. Excellent. Then what comes after that? 6. SIX 6. Excellent. Okay, what comes after that? 7. Spellings of 7? Yes, yes, Vasif. SEVEN 7. Very good. Then 8. Very good. And what comes after that? 9. And the spellings of 9 are NINE 9. Very good. And finally we have TEN 10. Right? Now from after 10 I'll be guiding you, or if some of you know the spelling, you can tell me that. Just raise your hands. Can anybody tell me the name of this digit? Yes. Okay. Yes, Abdullah. ELEVEN 11. Very good. Okay. Can anybody tell me the name of this digit? Yes. TWELVE 12. Very good. Now look at this. What is the spelling of this? THIRTEN 13. Very well done. Okay. Should we move forward? Okay. Can anybody tell me the name of this digit? FOURTEEN 14. Right? What comes after that? 15. So what we will be doing, we will just write 5 and then teen, then 6 teen, the spellings of 6 and then teen, then the spellings of 7 and then teen. So it's a very good practice, right? You are not supposed to remember it again, because you already know the half of the spelling, that is 7, and you are just supposed to add teen in front of that. Then 8, teen, 9, teen, and finally we have a new spelling or a new name, that is 20, right? Now, after 20, the hint or the practice, the common practice is that you are just supposed to write 20, then you will be writing the same spelling, 21, then 22, 23, 24, and finally 25. So you are just supposed to memorize the spelling of 20, and the other spellings are same, right? That you have already practiced. So hurry up, all of you, write it down till 25. Let me know if somebody of you help any need, any guidance. All of you are done? Great, mashallah. Now, before ending the class, I'm going to show you a small activity. We will first do this and then we will end the lecture. Show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Is it? Excellent. Okay. So on one side, the digits are mentioned, and on the opposite side, their names are mentioned. And you are supposed to match the digit with its name. Okay. So hurry up, do it. Who is going to tell me where is the name of number 9? On number 4, excellent. Where is the name of 8? On the second last, very well done. Where is 0? On the top, excellent. Where is 2? On third last, very well done. Where is 5? On third number from top, very well done. Okay, class. So what we have learned in today's class is that we have talked about the name of the numbers, and we have discussed that the numbers can be written in two forms. The one is in the form of digits, and the second one is in the form of words, right? And what is the name of sorry the digit in the name of word is basically the name of that digit, and then there is some special value attached to it as well that we need to memorize. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.